In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI Slack assistant. We'll set up a Slack app, give it the right permissions, and then connect it to an AI service using an automation tool so it can listen for mentions and reply intelligently. And you'll just need access to your Slack workspace and an account with a workflow tool like Zapier, Make, NAN, or Pipedream. Start by visiting the Slack API dashboard at api.slack.com/apps. Click Create New App, choose from scratch, give your app a clear, memorable name, and select the Slack workspace where you want it to live. After creating it, you'll land on the app's settings page where we'll configure what the bot is allowed to do. Next, open the OAuth and Permissions section. Under Bot Token Scopes, add the permissions your assistant needs. Add chat right so the bot can post messages. Add app mentions read so it can detect when someone mentions it. Add channels, history to let it read public channel messages that it's permitted to access, and history to let it read direct message history with the bot. These scopes are minimal but essential for a helpful assistant. When you're done, click Install App to Workspace and confirm the prompts. Slack will generate a bot user OAuth token. Copy this token and store it securely. It's sensitive, and you should never share it publicly. If you later adjust scopes, Slack may ask you to reinstall so the changes take effect. Now let's connect the app to an AI tool. You can use Zapier, Make.com, NAN, or Pipedream. I'll illustrate with Zapier because it's quick to set up. Create a new Zap. For the trigger, choose New Mention in Slack. This fires whenever someone mentions your bot in a channel where it's present. If needed, invite the bot to the channel first so it can see messages. For the next step, add an action to send the prompt to an AI, such as OpenAI or GPT. Pass along the text of the mention and consider including helpful context, like the user's display name or the conversation snippet, so the AI can respond more accurately. You can set a concise system instruction to keep replies on topic and safe. Finally, add another action to send the AI's response back to the Slack channel. Map the output from the AI step into the message field. If your trigger provides a thread reference, you can post the reply in a thread to keep channels tidy. Turn on your Zap, then test by mentioning your bot in Slack. If it doesn't respond, double-check scopes, reinstall if prompted, and confirm the bot is in the channel. That's it. Your AI Slack assistant is live and ready to help.